Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you honest, detailed beauty product reviews you can trust. Today, I've got something that promises to keep your brows in check from morning until night. The Tarte Brows for Days Framing Gel in Clear. This gel is designed to help shape and define your brows with a long-lasting hold that doesn't budge. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Tarte Brows for Days Framing Gel comes in a sleek, full-size tube with a natural finish that's perfect for a clean, subtle brow look. This clear gel is ideal for anyone who wants to tame unruly brows without adding any extra color or pigment. The formula promises to provide long-lasting hold, and the brush is designed to coat every hair evenly for a polished finish. The key feature? It's all about precision and keeping things looking natural. I've been testing this product for a few weeks now, and I can honestly say that the application process is super easy. The gel glides on smoothly, and the brush is just the right size to get into every brow hair. Whether you're shaping or simply setting your brows in place, the gel does its job with no mess. It dries quickly and doesn't leave any crunchy, stiff feeling behind, which I absolutely love. In real-world testing, it held up really well throughout the day. I put it through some tough tests, a full day of work, errands, and even a workout. While it didn't make it through a sweaty, intense gym session completely unscathed, it definitely performed better than most other brow gels I've tried. My brows stayed intact through the workday, which is definitely a win in my book. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the pro side, the formula is lightweight and doesn't feel heavy on your brows, which is great if you don't like the feeling of a product weighing you down. The clear gel works on all brow colors, so no matter whether you've got blonde, brown, or dark brows, it won't leave any residue or noticeable color behind. Another plus is the packaging. It's neat, compact, and easy to throw in your bag for on-the-go touch-ups. On the flip side, the hold could be stronger for those with naturally thick or unruly brows. While it works well for lighter, more refined brow shapes, if you've got full, thick brows like mine, you might need to layer a bit more or use a stronger gel for the long-lasting hold you're looking for. When it comes to value for money, this gel is fairly priced for what you get. Tarte is known for their quality, and this product is no exception. The clear formula is versatile, and the tube lasts quite a while, even with daily use. If you're someone who's constantly on the hunt for the perfect brow gel, I'd say this is a solid option. Comparing it to other similar products, I've tested a few brow gels, and while some might offer a more intense hold, few match this one in terms of natural finish and comfort. There are cheaper alternatives out there, but they often compromise on the feel or performance, so this one does feel like it's worth the investment. As for the build quality, the packaging is sturdy, and the product itself feels premium. The brush is well designed for precision, and the gel's texture isn't too thick or too thin. It's just right. Now, I haven't had any experience with Tarte's customer support personally, but the brand has a strong reputation for being responsive and customer-friendly. I feel confident that if any issues arose, they would be handled professionally. If you're looking for cheaper alternatives, brands like Benefit and Anastasia Beverly Hills offer brow gels in a similar price range, but they tend to be a bit more focused on tinted options. If you prefer something more budget-friendly, try something from Maybelline or L'Oreal, though the performance might not match up quite as well, especially for long-lasting hold. So, does this product live up to its claims? I'd say yes, for those seeking a natural finish and light, reliable hold. It's ideal for anyone with more refined brows or who simply wants to tame them for the day without any fuss. If you're after something more intense for thicker, unrulier brows, you might want to explore other options. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and if you've tried this brow gel, drop a comment below. Let us know how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.